Hello friends, have you ever filled up your gas tank only to see the check engine light come on soon after? If your scanner shows P0440, your car is having trouble with the Evaporative Emission Control or EVAP system. Ignoring this can lead to fuel vapors escaping, poor fuel economy, and even trouble passing an emissions test. In this video I'll explain what P0440 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0440 error code stands for Evaporative Emission Control System Malfunction. The EVAP system prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere by capturing them in a charcoal canister and recycling them into the engine. When this system malfunctions, it triggers the P0440 code. Common symptoms of P0440: check engine light on, fuel smell near the car, especially around the gas cap or engine bay, slight drop in fuel efficiency, and a failed emissions test. Even though the car may run fine, ignoring this code can cause environmental damage and long-term system failures. The EVAP system has several key components and their locations vary by vehicle. Here's where you should check. EVAP purge valve located near the engine intake manifold. This controls fuel vapor flow into the engine. EVAP vent valve, also known as the vent solenoid, usually found near the fuel tank or the charcoal canister. Charcoal canister typically under the car near the fuel tank. The fuel tank pressure sensor is mounted on top of or inside the fuel tank. It monitors pressure changes in the EVAP system. The gas cap, located on the fuel filler neck, is often a common culprit for the P0440 error code. A loose or damaged gas cap can cause this issue. Here's a tip. Check your vehicle's service manual for the exact locations based on your car model. A loose or faulty gas cap. If the gas cap is loose, damaged, or missing, it can trigger this code. Cracked or leaking EVAP hoses. Rubber hoses in the EVAP system can dry out and crack over time, causing leaks. A faulty EVAP purge valve. If the purge valve is stuck open or closed, vapors won't circulate properly. Alright, number 4 is a blocked or damaged charcoal canister. This canister is responsible for storing excess fuel vapors, and if it gets clogged, well, the whole system can malfunction. Moving on to number 5, a faulty EVAP vent valve. A stuck vent solenoid can prevent proper pressure regulation, causing issues. And finally, number 6, a bad fuel tank pressure sensor. If this sensor fails or gives incorrect readings, it can falsely trigger the P0440 error code. Alright, let's get started with fixing that P0440 error code. First things first. Use an OBD-II scanner to confirm the P0440 code and check for any related EVAP system codes. This will give you a clear idea of what's going on. Next, you'll want to check the gas cap. Sometimes a loose or worn-out gas cap can trigger the P0440 code. So, go ahead and tighten it or replace it if it's looking a bit worse for wear. Now let's move on to the EVAP system hoses. Inspect these hoses and lines carefully for any cracks, loose connections, or leaks. These can often be the culprits behind the P0440 code. Alright, now for step 4. Locate and test the EVAP purge valve and vent solenoid using a multimeter. If they're not functioning properly, replace them. Moving on to step 5. Check the charcoal canister for any damage or blockages. Make sure it's in good condition to prevent any issues. And finally, step 6. Test the fuel tank pressure sensor. If it's faulty, be sure to replace it to avoid further complications. Step 7. Reset the code and take a test drive to see if it comes back. The P0440 code is often caused by a loose gas cap, faulty purge valve, or leaking EVAP hoses. Fixing it early prevents bigger issues and ensures your car meets emission standards. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0162, O2 sensor circuit no activity detected, bank 2 sensor 3, and P0163, O2 sensor circuit high voltage, bank 2 sensor 3. Like, share and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.